Shoemaker. Once upon a time, there lived a very poor shoemaker and his wife. One night, before he went to bed, the shoemaker cut out the last of his leather to work on the next day. The next morning, he was amazed to find a beautiful pair of shoes standing on his table. In fact, the shoes were so beautiful that when someone came to try them on, they paid twice as much as the shoemaker had asked for them. With the money, the shoemaker bought enough leather to make two pairs of shoes. Before he went to bed, he laid out the leather to work on the next day. The next morning, he was amazed to find two beautiful pairs of shoes standing on his table. Soon, the shoemaker became a very rich man. One night, the shoemaker and his wife hid inside the shop to find out who they owed their riches to. They were very surprised to see two small elves come into the shop and stitch the shoes together carefully. The poor little elves wore no clothes. The shoemaker's wife made two little shirts, two tiny pairs of trousers, and some socks to thank the elves. When the elves crept into the shop that night and saw the clothes, they were so overjoyed they danced and sang with delight. The shoemaker and his wife never saw the elves again, but they were forever grateful to them for showing them how to make beautiful shoes. The end.